Gold in the another good rise has achieved close to 3150 levels today in the earlier trades, and now it appears 3150 should be a greater resistance for gold to break beyond. We have seen a resistance there, and since then gold has retraced, but most importantly it is yet to break beyond 3120 3124 levels, which we have discussed few hours back as a critical resistance for the day. Likewise with silver, we have seen silver trading bearish, failing to stay above 34.2025. We have seen it moving all the way towards 33.80. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect another bull run here, or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update, second update for the day. The first update always I release with the Asia and Europe session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at hourly charts for gold, the first support is created here at 3120. Then a good rise is seen. Again, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period, and it appears 20 period is offering a very good support here for gold, and thus it is very important for gold to trade below 3120. That is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness, and the reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades below 3110 3112 levels, below which you can expect further correction. Right now it is not willing to give up. It is taking the support and trying to rise, but look at the last few candles. See, you can find out greater resistance is offered till towards 3140, and thus it is very important now for gold to trade again above 3140 and then breach beyond 3150. Two key levels, it needs to break 3140 3150. This complete range is going to be very critical for gold. Right now if I see this is how it has been trading. This is a moderately bullish channel. The highs are well above 3150 levels here. Stochastic rising, while look at the MACD, it has crossed over, looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI is almost running flat. Coming to 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour chart. The 20 period sitting at 3120 again makes it a very critical level for gold to break below. And see what is happening. Look at the preceding few candles. You can see diminishing bearishness, and then this one candle has appeared. Despite the green body, you can see it is almost closed at the bottom. So in fact, now if you see gold trading below 3130, the higher price below 3130, if you see, you can take a sell, but then 3124.25 and 3120 level should be a greater support here for gold. Stochastic dropped sharp. Now look at MACD. After hitting the highs, it has crossed over, it is looking downwards, and I have mentioned earlier in the day as well that see, from these levels gold tries to reverse. Possibly this could be the reversal point for gold. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation here is on the 3 hour charts is more or less same here, trying to trade in this channel which is moderately bullish. Let it stay below first 3130, then 2425, then 3120, below which you can find the next support at around 311012 and then 3100, the most critical one. If that is taken, stay short for 3080 and lower levels. Right now I can see I do not see such greater bearishness, but as in how it breaks beyond these levels, certainly the bearishness to continue. The stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is converged. It is not yet crossed over. It requires couple of red candles from here in order for gold to confirm the crossover and start reversal. What has happened here can begin here as well. Just watch out. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts you can see preceding candle, a swing candle, it is closed at a doji, and the current candle resuming on the downside, and once it trades below 3130 you can expect a greater down move here. Possibility exists that it may break below 3120 levels, and below which you can expect that there could be another round of drop which may take the gold prices all the way towards 3100, which should be a greater support. See, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. Chances are there, whenever you see such divergence, chances increases that we may see a move towards 20 period or 50 period moving average. 50 period right now sitting at around 3060 levels here. The stochastic drop sharp. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for this crossover to confirm the reversal. RSI overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, if you look at, see straight bullish candles here, we can see in just 3 to 4 candles we have seen prices rising all the way towards 3020 to 3150 levels. Now it is the time for it to give up a little, and now it is very important for gold to first trade below 3120 and then towards 3100. If these two levels are taken, we can expect a reversal here, and this time the reversal could be very sharp. Let's watch out more closely how it behaves till towards 3100, because below that we can expect it to give a strong move all the way towards 3080. Stochastic definitely staying overbought. The MACD trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI overbought as well. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to sell gold at 3160, 3130 levels. That is the first and only selling entry for us if you see the higher price below 3130. And yes, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first is where to sell, very clearly 3130. When you see exclude the spread, this price has to be below 3130 in order for you to take a selling entry. Expect 3124, 25, 3120 as the next targets. If 3120 is taken, stay short for 31 12 3110 zone, and if that is taken, then 3100 should be the next strongest support. Any drop below 3100 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness, which may take it all the way towards 3080 or in fact 3060. Such a strong correction I do not expect, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the upside now, the buying entries are only above 3140. If you see the lower price above 3140, you can initiate a buying, and then you can expect 3144 45 first and 3150 52 the next. If 3150 52 is taken, stay bullish for 3160, and beyond 3160 is where we can expect a greater rise, which is going to take it all the way towards 3170 or in fact 3180 levels. I do not expect that, but looking at the past performance of gold, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver, earlier in the day I have mentioned drop retracement, drop retracement. See, this is how it has been trading. It is creating a nice bearish channel. Where are the lows of this channel? Or the way towards 33 40 33 30 levels here. Yes, if it continues to slide from here, if you see it is staying below 3380, you can take a selling entry here. Expect it to move all the way towards 3350 and then 3330 levels. Below this $33 level should be there. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. And now only reversal confirmation in silver is if you see it is staying beyond 34 20 25. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD trading bearish, and the RSI is trading at a comfortable zone. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation: drop retracement, lower highs, lower lows, nice broad bearish channel here. Very important for silver to trade below 3380, and then we can expect a good drop all the way towards 3350, 3320 levels. Possibility exists here. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped sharp. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is also dropped. On the 3-hour, interestingly, on the 3-hour charts, 3380 is offering a good support. And if you look at the preceding few candles, you can find out 3380, 3390 definitely is a good support here. See, the last candle, despite showing the bullishness, that is closed at the bottom, which suggests that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. Only thing is, if you see it is staying above 3425 and then specifically above 3440 60 is where you can say that the bulls are taking over, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI trading flat. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. My only concerning point here is the support it is taken from the 50 period moving average and the diminishing bearishness here. These are the three concerning points. This is possible that it may deliver a breakout, but only buying entry, as I said, above 3425, and then you have to wait for it to break beyond 3440 60 zone. That is the most critical zone. If at all silver trades above these two, you can say the bulls are back and you can look forward to a greater run all the way towards 3485 $35 levels. Stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, couple of key points here. See, every rise is offset with a retracement here. See this, and now it is again looking downwards, and see, only we had seen couple of bearish candles here. Look at the lower highs here, lower lows here, nice downward channel. Also we have seen the support from the 20 period moving average. It is very important for silver to trade below 20 period moving average. Also divide this into two. You can see what is happening here. Breaking below 3350 is where we can look forward to a greater correction that could begin the near-term slight bearish trend, which can take the prices all the way towards 32 or in fact 31 levels. Let's watch out if it delivers a breakout below 32 350 or in fact $33 levels. Stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a nice bearish sign. This crossover may begin the downtrend for silver, and RSI has dropped. So looking at this, now the selling entries are modified towards 3380, and if you see silver trading below 3380, take a sell for 33 33.40 zone. The first target zone 33.20 and 33 the next. Below 33 is where the bears will take over. You can expect a greater correction all the way towards 32.50, $32 levels. If not today, then some point of time in this week. On the upside now, the buying entries are limited at 34.25. Expect 34.40, 34.60 as the first target levels here. Any move beyond 34.40, 34.60 should take it all the way towards 34.85, $35 levels, and beyond 35, it's sky is the limit for silver. I do not expect this, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch that. Thank you.